Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so I am here with another synthetic wig review for you. And today this wig is brought to you by FreeTress Equal. And this is a 5-inch lace part, no lace front wig, and her name is VIVIA. This is the stock card for VIVIA. And I have her in the color FF Warm Brown, which is gorgeous, by the way. All right, y'all, so if you want to see the review of this wig, stick around. All right, y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like straight out of the package. I always like to do a shed test by running my fingers through it to see if there's any shedding, and there is some mild shedding. For the cap construction, it does not come with a lace front. However, we have the side combs along with the back comb and adjustable straps. This is what the 5-inch deep lace part is looking like. Okay, so I'm starting off using the middle part as it comes, but the part is a little tight, so I'm just going to pull a few of the hair strands that are right in the middle to kind of open the parting space up a little bit to make it look more natural. And then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me foundation powder to make it look a little more natural as well. I noticed that this unit did come with a few baby hairs, so I decided to take advantage of that and mold these baby hairs for a more natural look. So because I was noticing a little hump action in this parting space, I decided to switch the part over to a side part to kind of camouflage this little hump I was experiencing. You don't really notice it as much when it's on the side. So I think this side part kind of gave it a lot more justice. You know, I'm always honest in saying that I still think I suck at baby hairs, but I do believe I'm starting to get a little better with it, so it is still a work in progress, y'all. All right, y'all, so for my final thoughts, first of all, this wig is very beginner friendly, minimal work. I know a lot of us like the minimal work type of wigs, and if that's what you want, if you want to plop it on and go, then this wig is for you. Very beginner friendly. There is no lace front. There is a 5-inch deep lace part in this wig. So all you really have to do is throw it on, put some foundation powder in the parting space, comb it out to your liking, and go. I did add some baby hairs just because they were there, and I figured they might help it look a little more natural. Only because of this part, it's kind of like a really hard stop in this lace part, so I don't think it blends as seamlessly with, you know, your skin. So you kind of got to put in a little work there if you want it to look as natural as possible. The body waves, I love the curl pattern of this wig. Like, the body waves are absolutely gorgeous. Now, my favorite part of the wig is the color. I love how it starts with my dark roots and then it kind of blends into a combination of several browns, light brown, dark brown, and then a little honey blonde here in the front. I mean, the color combinations are absolutely gorgeous. So that's probably my favorite part of this wig. Now, although I love the curls in this wig, I felt like one side cooperates a little better than the other side. Like this kind of gives me the curls going back and it flows kind of nicely. I can just kind of swoop it back, but this side is giving me a little trouble. It's not as friendly as the other side, but you know, it's still workable, y'all. Still, see what I mean? Like I gotta work with this side. Gotta work with it. And I feel like they didn't curl all of the hair. Like, it's so straight in the back. Like, the front, they did a good job, you know, giving me the body waves up here. But it's a lot of straight pieces in here in the back. I think somebody got lazy, y'all. Somebody got a little lazy. Yeah, we got a little lazy. But that's okay. You know, I always do a shed test when I first take it out of the package, kind of run my fingers through it. I did get a little shedding. I'm still getting just a little bit, yeah, like light to medium, because I'm just looking around to see if I got hair all over me. Yeah, kind of light to medium shedding. Tangling is very minimal, not a whole lot of tangling at all. Cap size, I would say I didn't adjust any straps, although I probably could have. So it may be a little more big head friendly. As you saw, I started out with the middle part. Wasn't feeling how the middle part was looking because it had a little hump action on one side. So I shifted it to the side and I kind of like this a whole lot better. I used my hot comb to try to flatten it out a little bit, but the hump doesn't look as noticeable on the side as it did in the middle because one side was higher than the other. So at least with the side part, you know, and if this side looks flatter than this side, you can kind of get away with it. So that's why I went with the side part. Alright guys, so those are my thoughts on this wig. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure you are subscribed if you are not, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss a video. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye y'all!